Here my girls in the tub. It's not as bad as it looks. The water is warm. It has some soothing oatmeal in it. And warm water. We're just going to put a little bit on one. Notice my foot in the tub. We're going to put a little bit on the other one. And then we're going to put a little bit more on the one. And then we're going to put a little bit more on the other one. And then we're going to get our hands so we don't get into their eyes. And we go whooshy, 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 whooshy. And then we go get this. And we go whooshy, 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 whooshy. Oh my goodness gracious me. Help me, Mommy. Help me, help me. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Whoopie, whoopie. You ready? You ready? You ready? One more time. One more time. There you go. One more time. They've already been a little bit scrubbed. There you go. Now we're done. See, it didn't take more than, what, 20 minutes? So now we're going to go ahead and rinse. Yay!